We're doing another motor pull today. Loseys 390 out of his 68 Ford. We're first gonna test this to make sure we can actually get to the motor. Unlike my 4.3. Oh, buddy. We can make that work. Oh, yeah.
And I'm gonna bring that link all the way up to
We can make that happen.
So I need that as short as possible.
Right. I hate undoing automatic transmissions because of the torque converter bolts.
What's so wrong with those?
Oh, they suck.
Why?
Torque converter bolts? Dude, yours sucks on your Chevy. It is currently about 7 o'clock. Yeah, we're on a time frame. We're trying to get this done before 8 o'clock, 8:30-ish, something like that. Whenever the sun goes down in Ohio. Oh, to get the jack stands under it?
Screw it.
You're a little rough. Yeah. We're in business now?
This son of a bitch. Oh yes, just turn the whole fucking engine over.
Hold on. Got one? You want me to hold the motor? Oh, I got you.
Oh, you bitch. Oh.
You good?
Bet you don't want me to get the fucking blowtorch. Because I will.
See if the drain works. That's the real question. Wait, do that again? Dude, that's literally me when I pee in the morning. The radiator's about ready to come out, and it should be out here soon. Get around the pee hole. Money. Money shot. I feel like I'm filming like an episode of Finding Bigfoot.
So we're out here in the woods.
Literally surrounded by woods. Completely by woods. And this place is straight up haunted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, why does it do that?
I got to put my grandma's house.
What the heck, dude? That's so freaking weird.
Do you want to dick with the hood now?
We can take it off before we leave. Want to do that and then call it?
Yep. What?
Need you. Nothing but the headlights.
Nothing but the headlights. He gave me a laugh.
The highway has ever been. Out here with my thumb out in the wind. Woo, brother, I feel energized after lifting that hood. The front of it was so heavy. My goodness. She's a thick unit. My goodness. Why'd you buy such a thick girl? Usually you gotta go to California to buy these kind of girls. Hi. Alright, I think we're calling that a night. Till tomorrow. You got anything done?
I got the right transmission pulling line off.
Oh, did you?
The left one I'm about to just cut the thing up.
Sick.
I don't know what my dad was doing here, but the hoist was sitting here and it was like, what are you doing?
Someone's had these off at some point. I don't think they seal very well because I'm pretty sure it had some. Oh, ow. God almighty. Freaking truck. Okay, today's gonna be an interesting day. Oh my goodness, look at this. That is one heck of a parking brake you got there.
Oh.
Breaking a piece of wood?
Yeah, the actual parking brake.
Actual
A bunch
parking.
of wires and shit.
Is it really? What in the world? That is the e-brake. What in God's name? So that pulls it forward, which pulls these two cables. Whose freaking idea was that? This is built around the time of the Ford GT40, and yet that's how they fixed their e-brake. Solid. Is this your overflow? Ah, gain. My favorite laundry detergent.
This has been in here since the day I got the truck.
Is it really?
Yes.
Yeah, zip tie's kind of held up well. Ah. Very careful. as heavy as this thing is, we might want to take some of this stuff off. Okay. You chewing gum?
Yeah.
Okay. Just hold on. Let me guess. Breathe at me. One more time. Mint. I'm good.
You can get zoomies just right out the side.
I like what James did on Cletus. It just comes right up here.
Oh yeah, right there.
Sounds so good. You know, it look really cool. Like I know you don't like. I know you probably don't do this to this truck, but like mirror image turbos right here look so cool. Like if you were going for that.
Maybe under the hood, but
Yeah, no, with the hood on. Ain't no one getting away from us.
Cut 2 little holes in the hood where you just halfway see the turbo stick.
Just the top of the turbo, just the tips, just the tips. That looks so good.
I'm giving this thing one last chance. If not, it's getting the death wheel. Oh my god. Can't get a grip on the bitch. Death wheel time.
All right. Where's that? So we just had to go back to Loseys' house
This silly little piece.
for his cutoff wheel. So now we're about to watch him get angry again, which I'm very excited for.
God dang.
It was at this point I was quarantined to my house because of this whole coronavirus epidemic thing. So Lucy had to finish the rest of the engine pull by himself. So here's some of the clips he took with his phone. I apologize, we weren't able to be there with the GoPro.
She's out. Whew. She's a hefty engine. This poor stand can't hold her. Gotta rig it up here a little. That's my safety.
That is ridiculous.
Oh, what's this?
What's that? I don't...
That chain there.
Holy crap. God, dude, that's huge. Where's that valve that's... Holy crap.
That one and that one.
Oh, there's several that are like super deep. So is there a reason for that?
Back in the day they used lead, and those were made to be ran on lead. And the new gas kind of...
Oh. Oh. Oh, so like not...
It's like a softer metal.
Yeah.
I don't know where it went, but it was like a real flimsy metal. Almost like that gasket metal.
But on a real note, though.
Yeah, it's
Ooh, wait.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes,
Okay, so that
sometimes
breaks
I think
apart.
I find metal.
Yeah, but it just breaks
but it
apart.
busts apart.
Oh, wow. Those are very clean.
No ring ridge.
I'm genuinely surprised how clean these are. That's actually very clean. So here, look how big this timing chain is. Now watch the slop on it. Oh. Dude, that's so bad. Remember that time we revved it up really high out there? I wonder if we didn't skip a timing tooth or something. Oh, I was so hoping I was rounding it off. I was like, yes. Nice going. I got it. Okay, so we have the puller off finally. It actually came off really easily. And then I think what are we gonna do next? You wanna take the pistons out? Okay, good talk. I got it. I got it. No, I got
The
it.
size, huh?
I got it. It's about this big. This big. See? Look for a size about as big as this.
Since I don't got number stamps, I'll just put a dot. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on.
Look how bad that bearing is. So we're gonna take the rest of these out, see what they'll look like, take the crank off, and take a look at that and make sure that's not all scarred up. Right in the coffee can.
Was that the,
Bearing.
a few smackies.
Get off there. Get off. Say get off. I think you're supposed to get that out.
I don't know.
Alright, cool. Try to get some kind of special puller. If I just beat the crap out of it.
Hold up.
Okay, so we got the front timing cover off. Look at this slack. That is all just slack. That definitely,
Jumped a tooth.
I guarantee it jumped a tooth. Okay, so maybe we're missing some. Oh, there it comes. God dang. That is old and worn. That's big. Wow, your main bearings look, oh, they get worse as you go on. Ooh, feel, that was gritty. Ooh, let me see that. Why is there huge pitting on the cam? I don't know if the camera can see that. But there's like pitting for days
over
in
here,
these
look.
cams, on this camshaft lobes. Ooh, you got nicks all over your cam.
Chunkies.
Oh, wow, very nice, very nice. Oh,
Get her out.
it's like that bearing's getting caught in the front. Okay, so we were trying to get the cam out and it kept getting stuck. And so we decided just to pry it out because we need new cam bearings anyway. And what fell out were these metal, was the actual cam bearing chunks itself. And it's exactly what he found in the pan of the truck. Exactly what he found in the pan. This thing had been worn out for a while now. Dude, look at all of them, they're all destroyed.
I want to show you something here.
What's up?
See how big that is
Yeah.
compared to that?
Yeah. That's weird.
Mm-hmm. See, a lot of people drill that out bigger.
Why would they do that?
I don't know.
That's stupid.
Ford put a smaller diameter than the actual pump.
That seems like a place for like overpressurization and like pressing out your gasket. Okay, that is all we have for today on American Detour. We have content we're going to be coming out with every other day or somewhere in that general vicinity. We're going to be coming out with as many videos as we can a week so that we have continuous content. And also, you don't have to, but we'd really appreciate if you guys would subscribe and like and comment and all that good stuff and share. We really need people to share our videos. We've had so many people comment saying, why haven't you blown up yet? Why hasn't your channel gotten bigger? Well, we need the people who watch our shows to share it. We'd really appreciate it. And if you don't, that's fine. We don't care. But we'd really appreciate it. It'd mean a lot to us. So thank you and God bless you.